The problem isn't that we don't know what to do, but more like how to make us do the things that we know we have to do.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Christopher Norberg. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I produce content on personal development. In this video I will give you a quick intro to Mel Robbins' 5-second rule. For those of you who don't know who she is, I highly recommend you to check out her YouTube channel and Instagram. Our brain is wired in a way that it wants to keep us safe and in a status quo. That's why our brain resists change and stops us from doing spontaneous things that could potentially be dangerous to us. As soon as we start thinking about changing our routines or starting to do something completely new, it doesn't take many seconds before our brain starts telling us counter-arguments on why that is a stupid idea. And before you know it, your brain and your own thoughts sabotaged your good intentions of change. So how can you bypass this mechanism of our brain? Author and public speaker Mel Robbins has developed something called the 5-second rule. And that 5-second rule is the key to bypassing our brain and own thoughts. Two things that stop us from taking action towards change. So how does this 5-second rule work then? I'm sure that you are all familiar with this situation. You make a decision that you will start exercising 3 times a week in the morning before work. The night before, you pack your gym bag and set your alarm clock to wake you up at 6 a.m. Next morning, the alarm goes off and immediately your brain starts telling you a story that it would be so nice to sleep for another hour, and going to the gym at this ungodly hour is totally bonkers. And before you know it, you continue sleeping. And just like that, your brain sabotaged your good intentions of going to the gym. Because you don't want to give up, you once again pack your gym bag the night before and set your alarm to wake you up at 6 a.m. Morning comes, the alarm goes off. And even before you have a single thought in your mind, you start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And at the same time, get up from your bed and start making yourself ready for your gym exercise. And by doing this simple countdown, you bypass your brain from feeding you thoughts of staying in bed instead of going to the gym. The 5-second rule is as simple as that. And you can use this 5-second rule in every aspect of your life. At work, in a meeting, you get a great idea and you are doubting should you speak up. Before your brain starts telling you to keep your mouth shut, you count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and start speaking about your idea to the people around you. Or when you are standing by an ice hole and should take a swim in 0-degree water. I bet your brain will tell you not to get into the water. But bypass that thought by once again counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and taking the necessary steps into the ice hole and ice cold water. It's good for you. So there you have it, a quick intro to the 5-second rule by Mel Robbins. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.